Okay, really straightforward. We have Ken adding ribbon border to the edge of his kite, and two of the sides measure 9.5 inches. The other two measure 17.8 inches. How much ribbon does Ken need? And all we have to do is sum up these values. You could add 9.5 and 17.8 and then double it, but I'm just going to write the amounts each twice. 9.5, 9.5, 17.8, 17.8. The way that you add or subtract decimals is you line up the decimals. Okay, sorry for my sloppy writing. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 8 is 26. So we put the 6 down, we carry the 2, and conveniently these two, this is 9 and 9 is 18, and these two makes 20. Nice, neat 20. 27, 34. Carry the 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And what do we do with the decimal? The decimal comes straight down. That's part of the reason that we're lining them up. Well, we're lining them up so that we add tenths place with tenths place with tenths place with tenths place and ones place with ones place, etc. Okay, but since these are tenths, whatever is here is going to be tenths, etc. Okay, and we need to note what the units are because we always should be writing units if we know it, and they are inches. And since it's length, we're not finding area. It's not inches squared. It's just inches. So our answer then is 54.6 inches C.